Dear students, here we have a new lesson to read today. That is lesson number 6, Careful Hands. We have lesson number 6, Careful Hands. So let's read the lesson. Once there was a little boy called Hans. He lived in Germany with his mother near a great forest. His grandmother lived in a small cottage not far away. One day his mother said, Hans, I am going to the market. Go and spend the day with your grandmother. Hans went along the dusty path through the forest. He played in his grandmother's garden all day. In the afternoon, his grandmother said, Hans, take this needle to your mother. Look after it carefully. On the way home, a hay cart passed Hans. Hans put the needle in the hay and walked behind the cart. At last, he got home, but he could not find the needle. You are a foolish boy, Hans, said his mother. Put a needle in your sleeve, like this, not in the hay. The next week, Hans went to his grandmother's house again. He played the whole day. Later, his grandmother said, Hans, please take this knife to your mother. Hans started off for home. He remembered his mother's words. He put the knife carefully inside his sleeve. When he got home, the knife was not there. It had fallen out on his way home. Oh, foolish boy, said his mother. You should have put it in your pocket. The next week, Hans played with a little puppy at his grandmother's house. In the afternoon, he said, Granny, can I take this puppy home? Yes, but look after it carefully, said his grandmother. Hans stuffed the puppy into his pocket. When he took the puppy out at home, it did not move. Oh, what have you done? You foolish boy, cried his mother. You told me to put it in my pocket, said Hans. After a few minutes, the puppy opened its eyes. You are foolish, Hans, said his mother. You should have pulled it along, tied to a string. Next week, Hans took the puppy to his grandmother's house. After tea, his grandmother said, Here is a piece of meat. Carry it home to your mother. Hans tied the meat with a string and dragged it along behind him. The puppy followed him, nibbling the meat. When Hans got home, he had no meat. You should have put it in a piece of paper and put the packet on your head, said his mother. Next week, Hans' grandmother gave him a pound of butter. Hans wrapped the butter in some paper and put the packet on his head. When he reached home, his mother looked at him and cried out, What is all that yellow stuff on your head and back? The butter had melted The butter had melted in the sun. You are a foolish boy, said his mother. Adapted from a story by the Brothers Grimm. Dear students, we have completed the reading of the lesson 6, that is Careful Hands. So the homework for today is kindly read this lesson 5 times. Read 5 times. So when you read the lesson, you will come across certain difficult words and kindly focus on those difficult words and practice reading the lesson Careful Hands. So this is a very beautiful lesson about hands and how much careful or careless he was. So when his mother gave him certain things to carry and even his grandmother gave him certain things to carry home to his mother, so what are the steps? So how does it carry certain things and how he plays? So this is a short and a sweet lesson about the careful hands. So today in this video we have learned how to read the lesson. So kindly practice reading the lesson Careful Hands nicely. Kindly write down the homework. Read 5 times. Hope so you will practice reading the lesson. Thank you.